Nigeria is our home, with 36 states promising freedom for all.
But as of now, only 27 states have assented to the Violence Against Person Prohibition Act of 2015.
The VAPP Act prohibits all forms of violence and punishes offenders.
However, refusing to enforce this law limits access to justice,
as seen in many states within the country.
In these states, it would be impossible to stop a man from abandoning his wife and children.
Persons with disabilities suffer from first financial dependence and unpunished economic abuse.
People can be separated from their family and isolated, including through conversion practices.
Abuse of any kind, whether emotional, verbal, or psychological, is accepted as the norm.
9 states in Nigeria allow men to rape their wives without consequence.
Those who stalk others, intimidate, beat their wives, and practice harmful traditional practices are allowed to try.
There is no punishment for female genital mutilation or intersex genital mutilation.
Violent attacks on civilians.
Violent acts by state actors.
And assaults with harmful substances are accepted as casualties.
Millions of people, particularly women, including sexual minorities,
disabled women, and sex workers lack access to justice in these states.
3 out of 10 women have to choose between reporting an act of violence perpetrated against them
or living with the trauma of the event.
Which would you choose?
No one should choose between their fundamental human rights in the country they call home.
Sadly, this is the reality for many women in Nigeria, but we can change it.
The Initiative for Equal Rights is taking a stand.
And I, Oluwaseun Ayodeji Oshobi,
I am taking a stand.
Together,
we are committed to advocating for the enforcement of the Violence Against Person Prohibition Act,
which allows protection for survivors of human rights violation.
Everyone,
everywhere in Nigeria deserves a chance to thrive.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Share this video.
Write to your legislators to adopt the VAPP Act and to your governors
to assent to the VAPP Act in all states.
Doing nothing benefits the perpetrators of the